Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today I'm doing an oil change and a puncture repair on my 2011 Nissan Micra. Once again I'm doing the intro to the video 3 days later. I'm ready to go to New Zealand and I'm super excited. Hope you guys enjoy the video. As you can see, my life is already over before it began. I'm driving a 2012 Nissan Micra. Anyway, let's carry out a service. Like always, start with the logbook. Maybe a problem. Start with the sticker instead. These because they're so wasteful. So this is showing me that I need new rear tyres soon, and my best tyres are on the front. What I was doing just there is rotating the wheel to see the brake pads. I've got about 5mm on the front, can't really see it on camera but I can, and in the rear I've got drum brakes. Look at that exhaust. What? A little bit bigger than my thumb. So when I bought the car and drove it back, we stopped at a petrol station and put some air in the tyres. Just checked the tyres there, all of the tyres were all the same apart from here, which means there's some sort of puncture or it's leaking out of the valve or something. So let's have a look at the tyre. We got a puncture. Before I deal with that, I'm just going to put the sump plug in, make sure everything's tight, give the car a sort of once over, and then take the wheel off and fix the puncture. First we put the glue down, attach in, and you roll it down, and you put the bead sealer on, and then you cut it off, and then your tyre doesn't go down anymore, hopefully. I guess that concludes that. I'm about to go and leave for the airport. See you guys when you click on another video.